Start speaking now. Time is up.
Hey, David, I heard you're saving for a down payment, which is a fantastic goal. It can seem tough, but I have a few ideas for creating a sustainable budget that could really help you get there. I'm happy to share them. First, you should track your expenses for a month. Using an app or a notebook, write down everything you buy. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Second, once you know your spending habits, create categories like food and entertainment and set realistic limits. To be successful, you must be consistent, but your plan should also be flexible enough to handle unexpected costs or a small treat. Finally, I would recommend setting up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account each payday. This pay yourself first method is effective because you save money before you're tempted to spend it. It makes saving almost effortless.